I work for a mental health organisation called Get the Boys a Lift, and we've opened a coffee shop where you can receive support for your mental health in Haverfordwest. We've helped break down the stigma, especially in Pembrokeshire, around speaking about your mental health and the positive impact that it can have. We often find that people who come into the store and talk about their mental health realise that the situation that they've built up in their head isn't quite as bad as it seemed at first.
Part of the big mental health initiative with the FAW, a challenge has been set for staff members called Redig I Bacw, and the aim of the challenge is to try and reach 3,300 miles as a collective, which is the distance from the FAW office in Hensall to Bacw, where the first Euro 2020 game will take place. It's really for everyone to have their own personal achievements, so no one really knows what distance other staff members are doing, because people's targets are going to be quite different to each other. We want people to feel comfortable and do what's possible with themselves as well.
I know how it feels to not be able to lift your head off the pillow, to feel nothing and excruciating pain simultaneously, to not shower for weeks on end or want to talk to anyone, but it does get better. Opening up and sharing how you feel is such an important first step. There's no shame in suffering from a mental illness. The only shame is that there's still a stigma attached. Mental illnesses can manipulate you and make you believe things about yourself that aren't true. You can feel isolated, empty, hopeless, and unworthy of help. Talking can be cathartic. It can make you feel less alone, and it can help squash those feelings that your illness has made you believe. It can help you rationalise things, and it's such an important first step.
Personally, I have to keep to a routine, otherwise I'll start to feel lazy and a bit lethargic. I've also got to exercise every day, whether that be a walk, a run, or a home workout. I also like to keep in touch with my mates, check everyone's doing all right, also my family as well, because we can't see them at the moment.
I really shred through the challenge. I was talking about what they've done during the day, how they're feeling, and it's worked really well. And I think feedback from staff members has been positive in that, and starting to get to know staff members they might not have worked with before, but getting them a bit more on a personal level as well, which is great. Set your own little goals, I'd say. Try maybe increase it, say half a kilometre, or just a couple of seconds faster every time you go out. And I think that personal achievement is something that will make you really feel good and happy about yourself.
I taught myself CBT, cognitive behavioural therapy, which helps me to rationalise my negative thoughts. I also take medication daily, and I make sure those around me know what I need if I'm to have a bout of depression or an anxiety attack.
My top tip for looking after yourself would be do something for yourself and surround yourself with good people, and then worry about the others around you.